Allah hates two types of people who use their resources in two ways. Number one, in the Quran, Allah hates two types of dealings with your wealth, for example. With your wealth and with your time and with your skills, with your energy, with your body. All these are called resources. Allah hates two types of people who use their resources in two ways. Number one, in something called israaf. And number two, something called tabdeer. Allah says in the Quran, Wallahu la yuhibbul musrifin. Allah does not like the ones who do israf. And Allah says, Innal mubadhirina kanu ikhwan ash-shayateen. The ones who do tabdeer are the brothers and sisters of the devils and demons, meaning they're wicked. What is israf? What is tabdeer? Israf is when you spend your money on things that are allowed and permissible, but you overspend beyond your means. Do you know what that means, beyond your means? It means that your family, for example, has a right to your wealth. If you're a husband, a father, you have the duty in Islam to spend on your family and your children. It's not your wife's duty, or your mother's, for example, or your sister's. In that wealth, you have to manage that a portion of it goes to the people Allah has made you in charge, made you responsible for in caring and protecting. And then you have a right to that wealth for yourself, for your own needs in life. And then you have a right for that wealth to give in sadaqah, in charity, outside of your family and your wealth. Which, by the way, spending on your family and yourself is a form of sadaqah. Did you know that? If your intention is there. And you can invest with it, and you can build with it, and whatever extra you can use it for entertainment and enjoyment. But if you spend too much, for example, on yourself, to the point when you know your wealth you're going to take away from spending on your family's needs, then this is called israf. We don't say the millionaire because he or she spent a lot, they're doing israf, because they are not neglecting the rights of their duties. They're balancing, they're managing their wealth. Unless they become like some people who don't know how to manage money and they just spend it on everything and anything as an addiction. This is called israf. So to spend beyond your means in a way that those who are entitled to a portion of your wealth or your resources start to miss out. You've got to balance it. Then there is the second word, which I told you, it's called tabdeer. Tabdeer is a bit different to israf, overspending beyond your means. Tabdeer is to spend within your means, but on forbidden things. Things that Allah has forbidden, such as to spend my money on alcohol. Spending our wealth and our resources on clearly forbidden things is called tabdeer. Now you understand the difference between the two terms, and both of them means wasting in English. So don't waste your wealth and resources. Other than